everyone, welcome back to Quick Takes with Kate on all things writing in under 2 minutes. Here's a question I often hear from my students. Can you start a sentence with and? And why not? I reply. Somewhere along the way it seems an English teacher has added an 11th commandment. Thou shalt start no sentence with and. But what do the language authorities say? Charles Allen Lloyd calls such a notion groundless and a monstrous doctrine. Brian A. Garner calls it rank superstition. Ernest Gowers even appeals to God, no less, writing, "The Bible is full of them." A quick look at the book of Genesis, chapter 1, shows that 33 of the 35 sentences begin with and. You know what that means, don't you? That means that and has been around since creation. So where does the non-rule come from? Perhaps school teachers themselves believe it is a commandment. Or perhaps they are trying to curb children's tendencies to begin every sentence with and. Or maybe it's just a quick fix for a fragment error. Whatever the reason, too many people believe that starting a sentence with and is wrong. What might be wrong, at least in everyday writing, is starting every sentence with and, or even every other sentence. Benjamin Dreyer, copy chief of Random House, says, 2 sentences in a single paragraph beginning with the same introductory term are usually 1 sentence too many. So the problem, if there is one, isn't with starting a sentence with and, but with poor style. In the next article, op-ed, or essay you read, count the number of sentences that begin with and. Better yet, open the Bible to the book of Genesis, where chapter 1 tells us, not just once, but many times, and God saw that it was good. And that's a wrap. For the rest of the story, go to Touryan.com/QuickTakes and check in next week for another Quick Take with Kate.